here I'm going to.
Hello, Rebels. This is Adrian from La Rebellion. I'm going to show you the easiest way for you to create MCP servers. There is no other way easier than this.
First of all, I'm going to show you that I'm going to use a Swagger specification. I'm going to use Pet Store. This is available online. You don't need to code anything. You can just pull that information directly from the web. Now, let me show you how we can create an MCP server with that Swagger specification. As simple as typing HAPI serve pet store, and we are going to give the flag headless. With this headless, what we are doing is to invoke the backend server directly from the Swagger specification, and we are exposing the MCP server locally in port 3000. With that, we can go to the VS Code, add an MCP server. I have added this before. Before starting the server, let me show you the configuration. Here we have it, localhost 3000 MCP. That is the configuration that the HAPI server is exposing. With that, I start the server locally, and we are discovering that this MCP server has 19 tools exposed. That's it. Now, I'm going to use Copilot, but you can use any other MCP client that you have locally that connects to MCP servers via HTTP. Let me just hide this part. Okay. With that, let me expand this. I'm going to check that we have in the VS Code configuration this as an agent, and with agent, I can just configure the tools that I want this agent to use. I'm going to disable the built-in tools, and I'm going to disable these other tools that I have here for testing purposes. And here, I don't want to expose all the tools, so let's select a few of these. This one, this, find pet by tags, find pet by ID. Here we have it. With this, that's enough. Let's store these configurations, save it. Now, let me ask Copilot, get pets by status available. Okay, with that, hit enter, and it identifies, LLM is going to identify that you are trying to invoke the find pets by a status. The status is available. I'm going to send just for this session, continue, and that's it. This is pulling the information of the pets by status available. We can double check again here locally. We have the Swagger specification, and we can invoke that from here as well, directly via API. Let's say find pet by status and give it a try here. Let me hide this and query available. That's it. Let me send that request, and we have here the response, the same response that the MCP is getting directly by a RESTful API. We have here, let's say, category 4 for dogs, and the same category 4 for dogs over here. Okay, now let's give it a try to another request, find by ID 1. That's it, hit enter. The LLM that determines that the pet by ID is the one that you want to invoke, and that's it. We have the pet with ID 1. If I give it a try with pet ID 111, we are not going to find any pet with that. Let's give it a try, and that's it. We have find by pet, get pet by ID 111, and we don't have that pet. That's it. I like this response. Okay, let me know what do you think about this easy way to create MCP servers without writing any single line of code. You just need the Swagger specification, start the server, and that's it. I'm going to create another video where I'm going to modify this Swagger specification. I'm going to add out to configuration in the Swagger specification, only in the Swagger specification, and the HAPI server is going to detect that configuration. I'm going to use authentic for the out to integration, and you will see how it is really simple just to add this auto flow in the code as in the Swagger specification without coding anything. So see you in the next video. Go Rebels!